Good afternoon, everybody. Sherry here. I'm new to the watercolor world, and I just wanted to share a few platforms that I found to help me in my beginner's journey, and thought I would share them with you today. The first one is called Craftsy, C-R-A-F-T-S-Y. I paid $1.49 for a full year. I don't know if that is still available, but it is everything crafts, cross-stitching, painting, knitting, crochet, whatever craft you want to do. They've got all kinds of lessons on that site. After the first year, though, the amount goes up, so you have to remember, if you don't want to pay that, to cancel your subscription. The next one is called Dream and Draw LTD Art School. Now, I paid $15 for this one, and it is very basic. So the drawing exercises started with just basic pencil strokes on the paper and getting your hand used to bending the different directions as you're doing different pencil strokes and circles and what have you. It was real basic, but great for me because I'm not a natural at drawing. I can't draw, but I want to learn a little bit. And then the watercolor, the first lesson was how the paint reacts to the paper, whether it's wet, whether it's dry. And she had some other ones that I haven't seen on some of the YouTube channels that I follow. The only downside to this one is the sound is not the best, but you can still hear it. But I thought it was worth the $15, and it's not a subscription, so it was just a one-time thing. And then the other one is easywatercolorpainting.com. And that one I didn't pay anything for. The only thing for me is I find that it's a little more advanced. I didn't feel like I wanted to attempt any of the painting exercises that she was showing because I'm not there yet. And then there's also a Facebook group, Just Add Water Studio. And that one, I think you can just post paintings that you've done and see other people's paintings and things like that. Just something to help encourage everybody. And so far, everybody's comments to each other have been very kind. So anyway, I just wanted to share those. Hope you all are having a good day. Bye.